Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer any data you want from your iPhone to your Realme 9e using an app called Send Anywhere. So first we'll need to download the app on both of the devices. So let's start with iPhone. Go to App Store, search for an app, Send Anywhere, press search. And it's this app. Now we're gonna download it and do the same thing with our Android. So we're gonna search for an app, Send Anywhere, install, and it's ready on our iPhone, so we can open it, allow all of the permissions it asks for, and press OK. Now we're gonna open it on Android and just do the same thing. Allow everything. And now we're ready to send any file or photo or whatever we want from our iPhone to our Realme. So to send it, first we'll need to select a few things. So we're gonna select this photo. We can also do it with video. So select this one. Even the contacts. So I'm gonna choose this one. The files, which I'm not gonna send any. So we have 3 of the things selected. And when you're ready, just press send. And now on your Android device, which will be receiving these files, go to Receive tab and input this key right here. Five, 8, 2, 0, 0, 3. Receive. We need to allow the permission on our iPhone, and the files should start uploading and downloading on this phone. And when they are ready, press on them, and from here you'll be able to access them easily, like this photo, this video,
if you have plans, the nature area up.
And you can also add the contact that we've sent it. So we're gonna add it to our device like that. Go to our phone dial, contacts, and you can see this contact right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.